Today, on the Maker's News, we have a 27 years old man losing his sanity and trying to sell his soul for the knowledge to design electrical components. Let's hear what he has to say. Well. Isashi Burgers. I made a Discord because two guys offered to help me. Fuck PCBs, as always. But I spent probably 7 to 10 days trying to learn PCBs. Every day in the morning I was energetic. Like, yeah, let's learn the PCBs. Let's be a better maker. My goal is to make a board that can be split in single switches if needed, as well as having the assembly done right by design. We'll see. That's it. Let's get serious for a moment. I want to complete this project and I have many other things I want to do on this channel. So, this is what I need to achieve to finish the mouse. Pause if you want to read it. Right now, I will complete the 3 chapters. 2.3, 5.1 and 6.1. Let's go. The plan is simple. Take a perfectly working keyboard, destroy it to salvage parts, and make another one. To fully unlock modularity's potential, we need to think different. Big is best built from small. Opportunity is as important as risk. False. Risk can kill you. One way to design and deliver a project on an enormous scale is to build one thing. One huge thing. Think slow. Act fast. Take the outside view. Gather data and learn from all the experience. Porco Dio. Get a small thing, a basic building block, combine it with another and another, until you have what you need. What's our basic building block? The thing we will repeatedly make, becoming smarter and better each time we do so. While the neighbors were throwing a party, I wanted to show Vadim my soldering skills. And this happened.
Oh, è qui la festa? What is it, this shitty thing?
It's a keyboard. I made it.
It's a keyboard? Man, you need to think about the vagina, you know vagina, pussy, something like this. You need to think about these things, not the keyboard. You are so stupid. This design is a shit. You think about something for growing your hair.
We are almost done. Let's make it pretty. I've done some tests for... Vadim! Zostawi você sluska! I've done some tests for the shape. The circles are a bit impractical when typing, so I went with this kind of squares. And now you might be asking, why are you not using the old keycaps? The red ones? Well, it's too much work. And if I want to change the layout, it has to be easy. And now, I just need to do the other half. Well, that's it. Someone I know said cuts in a video are a sign of a bad video, so I won't make any, even if I stutter. In the meantime, I will show some close-ups of the final result. This is the final design I'll be using for the platform of the Galaxy Mouse version 2. The aesthetics will be pretty much the same for every other piece. I've done one side with PCBs and one side hand soldered as a learning experience. This one has RGB too, but it will be always off, because it's strange to have only one lit on. And the next video will be about the final project. I'll take the summer to complete it and move to other ideas. Here is a sneak peek of the main piece. Hope you enjoyed the video, and get out and do something.
E durante il video metterò solamente dei pezzetti. Watashi wa boron. Non so come si dice Watashi wa baku. Isashibu desu.